Today, we've got a fascinating story that highlights the unshakable faith of long-term Bitcoin holders amidst the ever-fluctuating market. Glassnode, the leading blockchain data provider, has just released astonishing data that's sending shockwaves through the crypto community. So, make sure you stick around to find out all the intriguing details. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free Forex courses, free Forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. In a groundbreaking revelation, Glassnode, the renowned cryptocurrency data analytics firm, has unveiled an astonishing milestone in the Bitcoin space. Glassnode's data indicates that an impressive 2.9 million BTC, with a staggering valuation of $82.5 billion, has remained untouched for an entire decade. Yes, you heard that right. Despite the wild roller coaster ride of the crypto market, these dedicated holders have steadfastly kept their Bitcoin locked away for 10 long years. This unprecedented achievement underscores the unwavering conviction of long-term investors in the potential of Bitcoin. It's a testament to their unyielding belief that Bitcoin's value will continue to soar regardless of the market's ups and downs. But that's not all. The numbers are even more staggering when we dive deeper into the data. Glassnode's insights reveal that the quantity of Bitcoin held for a minimum of 10 years is on an incredible upward trajectory. This consistent increase in numbers sends a powerful message. The concept of long-term investment is alive and thriving. And here's another mind-blowing revelation. A jaw-dropping 29.202% of Bitcoin's total supply has remained dormant for 5 years or more. That's nearly one-third of the entire supply locked away in wallets, untouched and unmoved. But wait, there's more. As of August 16th, Glassnode's data tells us that a remarkable 40.352% of Bitcoin's supply hasn't been touched for at least 3 years. These numbers paint a vivid picture of the conviction and patience demonstrated by the cryptocurrency community. Now, let's delve into an even more intriguing aspect. The data suggests that there's a significant portion of Bitcoin that might even be considered lost. A whopping 7,818,707.951 BTC, valued at an astonishing $222.78 billion, falls into this category. How is this calculated, you ask? Well, it involves a concept called liveliness. Liveliness is a ratio that takes into account the sum of coin days destroyed and the sum of all coin days ever created. This ratio increases when long-term holders decide to liquidate their holdings and decreases when they accumulate more Bitcoin. To put it simply, coin days destroyed represents the number of coins multiplied by the days they've been dormant. So, when these coins start moving again, it affects the liveliness ratio, giving us valuable insights into the market's dynamics. So there you have it, a record-breaking revelation that proves the unwavering belief of long-term Bitcoin holders. This data is more than just numbers. It's a reflection of a resilient community that's here for the long run. That's all for today's Crypto Insights. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things crypto. Until next time, keep hodling and keep believing.